What's up, YouTube? This is SteveWays3290 here. Gonna bring you my fireworks stash from Skyking Fireworks. Got some miscellaneous stuff, bottle rockets, $4, 500 roll of firecrackers, $10, 5 each. Pretty good. Skyking brand. Got some cakes today. Got a $24.99 Spark It Up. It's from Dragon. Performance is 25 shots, colored tail bursting to red, green, blue, and purple, multicolored crackling, ending in a massive 10-shot finale. Geez, so Callie had this cake, and I figured it'd be pretty good. We got it. To match that up, I got a big fireworks Jesse James. 25 shots. Performance is 25 shots. 5 shots of red, green, blue, or gold beads with crackling rain, speeded in line alternately. Final 5 of crackling rain. Pretty good. Heard a lot about this cake. It's really good. Has a little bit of weight to it. Good. Got a cake for free. It's called Blue Angel. 20 shots. Dragon brand. $24.99. 20 shots. Performance is blue time rain chrysanthemums and time rain chrysanthemums with blue. Good burst and color. 20 shot Blue Angel right there. I also got an Extreme Stand Back. It doesn't really have a name brand on it. Doesn't even have a performance. I just picked it up because this thing is heavy. For a 16 shot cake, heavy. Got it for $30. 16 shots. Extreme Stand Back. To match that up, I got a Skyking brand. Skyking. $29.99 Luck of the Irish. Really good cake. Really good cake. The guy recommended it to me. It does. Leprechaun lovers, cloverleaf believers are sure to enjoy this delightful multi-level 25 shot repeater featuring green flying fish, green mines, green chrysanthemums, and green strobing falling leaves. Really good. Sorry. So I paired these two up. Blue Angel came with this one. And Spark It Up too. It's basically my stash so far right there. I got a $24.99 The Damned 12 shots. Really good. The Damned. Really good cake. Where's the performance? Here it is. 12 shots, red to pink and gold strobe. Blue tail to blue star and white strobe willow. Purple tail to purple star and spring willow. Silver tail to crackling and spider. Here it is. The Damned. Also saw this on Diesel Cali stash. Really good. This is a big brand. Big fireworks. Go big or go home. Heavy Load. If you're going to Skyking, you're going to find a lot of Heavy Load. Really great brand. I love it. $27.99 cake called The Crab. Performance is 25 shots, strobing brocades, whistling tails, and crackling chrysanthemums, ending in a massive 10-shot finale. Really good cake. The Crab. I paired up the Crab with the Meek. Really good cake. Basically the same performance. Does a little bit more. 25 shots each. Good. Oh, these are both Heavy Load. And I got another Heavy Load brand called Juice. This cake is big. Look at that. Compared to this. It's big. I think it's a 350. I don't know. $24.99. 24 shots of big burst of colorful waves, strobe stars, and chrysanthemums with a stunning 4-shot finale. Really good. Actually pretty angled. It's pretty good. I like it. Got this cake. Blew Me Up. Shogun. Really good. I'll show you the performance. Performance is... It's a really big cake too. Performance is lots of blue with red and silver. I can't guess. glittery strobe with crackle. This cake lasts for 36 seconds. Shogun. Right there. Blew me up. And a new product they have at Skyking is called 3D Pyro. Pretty good. This one's called Aura. 6 shots. It's pretty big actually. I saw this on Jizo Cali's and I figured it's pretty good. No effects on this. Oh, here it is. 6 shot assorted effects, gold pearl, white strobe. And I got this one right here called Cronus. 3D Pyro, 6 shots. 6 shots assorted effects with glitter purple. Good, good cake. And I got Helios 3D Pyro. This one is 6 shots assorted effects, red, white, and blue. So I got these 3 right here. Buy one get 2 free. They're $20. So I got this one for $20. Helios, Cronus, Aura, all by 3D Pyro. You get some free glasses if you buy 3D Pyro. So it's pretty cool. Alright, my mortars, I got some Astrodomes. I got this for free. $59.99. Got it for free. 12 piece. Pretty good. I got this thing. It's called a Neon Cyber Candle. You shower multicolored pearls with loud crackle. Really good. 196 shots. Pretty good. I got 2 tubes, 5,000 tubes. This is made by Heavy Load. It's called White Strobe and Gold Strobe Pistol with Silver Tail. Pretty big. 3-inch tube. It's pretty good. See that tube down there? 5,000 tubes. And I got this to match up with green to white strobe and time rain with silver tail. 5,000 tubes. Also really good. Now my 500 gram repeaters. I got some. That's all my stuff right there. 200 grams. Firecrackers and stuff. Alright, my 500 gram repeaters. I got. This is called Asian Sensation. 9 shot, 2-inch tubes. 2-inch. It's a really good cake. Performance. Red palm tree and silver glittering pistol with crackling tail. Silver palm tree and green glittering pistol with silver crackling tail. Purple palm tree and silver glittering pistol with crackling tail. That's the tube right there. And I also got Sexy Rider. She is pretty sexy. And this does red wave, green glitter, blue peony, red silver, and blue peony. Again, 2-inch shots. I like the 2-inch shots, really good. 9 shot. This is made by World Class. This is made by World Class. Really good, right there. I got these from Jizo Cali. I saw him had the video. Said they were really nice, so I took his idea of it. This is a cake called Sonic Boom by Skyking Fireworks. This is a 27 shot cake. Pretty good. Angled, actually. It says, you can read that. It's a lot to read. Sea green dahlia with golden strobe, pink and red dahlia and white strobe, golden strobe, tail burst to golden strobe with blue stars, red tail burst to sea green with pink, red dahlia, silver strobe tail to strobe, willow with green dahlia, red palm tail burst to brocade palm with red strobe. Really good. 27 shot angled cake. My finale this year, I have Stuntin, made by Skyking. Saw this off of him, Jizo Cali. Stuntin right there. 12 shots. 2-inch tubes also. Love the 2-inch. 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 I'm gonna tell you the performance. Performance is gigantic and gorgeous. 2-inch red, green, silver, and gold wave. Really good cake. So I got Stuntin, Sexy Rider, Asian Sensation, Sonic Boom, Bottle Rockets, Firecrackers, Spark It Up, Jesse James, Extreme Stand Back, Luck of the Irish, and more 200-gram cakes and tubes. Alright, rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks.